It is time to try out something new, and I'm going to be trying it with you guys and taking you along the journey of a behind the scenes of my baking workshops. And I thought the best one to do it with would be, oh, there's bubbles, would be with my friends and family. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of one of my baking workshops where lots of my friends and family are there. You've got Rosie, Kai, Bonnie, literally all of my friends and family, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the behind the scenes and what really goes on in all my baking workshops and how fun they are. So let's get started with the video. I have lots to do. At the minute, I have Brooke and Kai downstairs helping me. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a baking... Today we're going to be doing a baking workshop. Kai's being annoying and so is Brooke, but this is what we have going on at the minute. Kai's making the buttercream and Brooke is, what are you doing, measuring out all the butter and the sugars for tomorrow's baking workshop, which is for the kids. But tonight we have all of my friends and family coming over to do we're going to do some cookies, and we're also going to decorate cupcakes. Kai's being rude and saying that I have no friends. I have the cupcake mix ready to go into the cases, but I accidentally forgot to buy cupcake cases. So Harrison's on his way round and he's just stopped in Aldi to go and get some for me. And then I'm going to put them in. What else am I about to do? I'm just sorting out the ingredients for tonight to take over to the room. Then I have lots of chocolate to chop up, which is the worst thing ever. Here's Brooke doing all of this, sorting out all the butter and the sugars, so it's easier for the kids to do tomorrow. I think it's because it's on here. I don't know. Guys, we have just messed up. I'm going to tell him. I'm going to tell him because it's... No, it was not your fault. Basically, I didn't realise, but when Kai was making the buttercream, he was using the wrong beater because they look really similar. This one and this one, and he was using this one, which is for the K mix, and it got like the stainless steel, all, you can't really see it and I can't really explain it very well, but all of some of like the butter has gone into the butter, and that's 3 butters, which is £6. It's not your fault, I'm telling you, it's not your fault, because he obviously didn't know, because he don't use it that much. And now I'm gonna have to go back to Aldi at some point today before everyone comes to get some more, because otherwise I'm not going to have enough for tomorrow. I'm just going to chop up all the chocolate, but there's so much to chop up. I think...
I'll do that because apparently I'm not incapable of making buttercream.
No, you can make the buttercream because you made it good last time.
Did you hear that? I made it good last time.
Yeah, just not this time. 16 bars of chocolate tonight alone. Wow. Harrison's got polka dot cupcake case. Oh, another 11 tomorrow. Harrison bought the cupcake cases. So now I can finally bake the cupcakes and then I'll do the chocolate. This is all the cupcake mixture in here. How much of caster sugar? 38 grams. And then I'm going to put that in. Let's do it. I'm stupid and I made way too much mixture, but luckily I need to make some more of these mini cakes anyway, but I made so much more mixture. Like, look, I've barely used any of it. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to have to figure out what I'm going to have to use it for, because I can't just throw it away. Right guys, we are nearly done. It is 6:30 and everyone's coming in 1 hour, so we need to hurry up, but to be fair, I'm mostly done. Kai's chopping up the chocolate here. Harrison's just finished off the buttercream. Nan's here doing a bit of washing up. And I am just putting the cakes into some cling film. And then I'm gonna go over and help take all the rest of the stuff over and finish setting up in there before everyone comes. But I'll show you all what it looks like before everyone comes. I'm very excited, but very stressed because I'm also prepping for the other 2 workshops that I have tomorrow. I've finally finished And I'm just going to go up to get ready. It is 7 o'clock, so I've got half an hour. So I'll see you guys in a little bit once I'm ready before everyone gets here. I am all ready now. Everyone is just turning up, so I need to go. But I just put a little bit of makeup on, not a lot at all. Just basically mascara, a bit of bronzer and blush. And yeah, I'm about to go down now. I'm really hungry, so I'm glad we bought stuff for everyone. Like I bought some nuggets and chips just for everyone to have, because I wasn't sure if people were going to eat before or not. So I got some of that, and I also got some drinks, like some Fantas and some Cokes and lemonades. I think that's everything that we got. But I'm very excited, a little bit nervous because obviously it's all my friends and family. So it's going to be weird to be teaching one of them, but I am excited. So let's go, and I'll see if I can get a little bit of footage for you guys. But obviously I'm probably not going to remember because I'm going to just be in baking mode and teaching mode the whole time.
Finished, I'm done. I'm having a beer.
Dad's eating his dinner in here on his own. Gonna go in and see everyone. Who's here? And Rosie's eating some of last night's dinner, even though we've got food. Nice. Basically everyone's here. We're just waiting on Ruby and Lexi now, and then we're done and we can go over. Everyone's here. Are you excited?
Yes.
Sorry about him. Here is what it looks like. We've got loads of stuff. This is all of the ingredients. Oh my god, you've got it on your chin. Oh god. Cupcakes are nearly done. Put them into the oven, and then we're going to make the cookies. Everyone's here. Henry's got lemonade in his. All the girls around here are putting it in. Real. And then Ruby's doing hers. Tegan and Alexa doing theirs. All done. Hello.
What's going on now?
Just having a quick break. Everyone's having a drink and a chill whilst we wait for the food to be done. We'll have the food and then we'll start again. Cakes are done and everyone's deciding whose is best. Everyone comment down below which tray. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For round 2, we're now making the cookies. Rosie's filming as well. We are now decorating cupcakes. Herbie's got his.
Peach and mango mixed.
And we're going to do all the cupcakes. Kai's cupcake so far, he's doing half and half. Rosie and George's.
I did this one.
Well done. Then we got Henry, Harrison and Brooks, Lexi's, Ruby. We got some edible glitter going on over here. Lovely. Guys, we are all done. It is 10:59, basically 11 o'clock. I'm absolutely shattered, but it was so much fun. I think everyone had a lovely time. They all said thank you, and they all said they had a lovely time, so they better not be lying to me. I'm joking. No, it was very fun, and everyone has all gone now, and it's now time to clear up all of this mess so that I can go again tomorrow morning. Brilliant. I'll be fine. Me and Mum are gonna clear up now. So that means that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye!